It's possible to make up to 1,000 Rand per day with Exness's Refer and Earn campaign. They pay up to $40 per lead, and it is also possible to make up to $800 per lead. It's as easy as registering an account with Exness and joining their affiliate program. Let me show you how. Simply follow the link provided in the description and click on the Start Now button to register your account. Fill in your personal details to set up your account. After your account has been set up, simply complete your registration and you will have access to your official partner link. This is your official partner link, which you can use to share on all your social pages, such as Facebook, Twitter, or your website. You can then start earning commission through every lead that signs up with your partner link. You can easily track your partner commission and view reports directly from the dashboard. Reporting includes your client list, rewards, performance statistics, and more. It's as easy as registering an account with Exness and sharing your link to start earning today. Follow the link in the description if you are interested and join the Exness official partner program.